Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see what is IaaS, Understanding Infrastructure as a Service. So IaaS is a Infrastructure as a Service, is a cloud computing service model in which computing resources are hosted in a public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid cloud. Then what is public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud? So that we will see in upcoming videos. As of now, we will focus on IaaS. Infrastructure as a service refers to instantly provisioned and managed computing infrastructure over the internet. So in a simple terms, infrastructure as a service means getting access to computing resources like servers, storage, and networking over the internet, where it is owned and managed by a cloud provider. So you don't have to worry about setting up and maintaining physical hardware. It is like renting a digital infrastructure in the cloud. Okay. Now, here are some important cloud service providers, infrastructure cloud service providers. The first one would be Amazon Web Services. Second one is Microsoft Azure. Third is Google Cloud Platform. Fourth is IBM Cloud. Fifth is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and many more. In the IaaS model, the cloud provider owns and operates the hardware and software. When you have an IaaS solution, you rent the resources like computing or storage, provision them when needed, and pay for the resources your organization consumes. For example, you need to create a new virtual machines. Means if you create a new virtual machines in the IaaS infrastructure, so how many virtual machines that you are creating? For that only you are going to pay. So pay for the resources your organization consumes. For some resources such as computing, you will pay resources you use. For example, as I said now, for example, if you create a 5 virtual machines in Azure, you only pay for that 5 virtual machines. For others such as storage, you pay for the capacity. For example, you have an Exchange online mailboxes. So each mailboxes will be having 50 GB or 100 GB, whatever it is. So how much ever that storage capacity that you assign for a mailbox, only for that capacity you are going to pay. So you will pay for the capacity. Now, benefits of IaaS. There are 4 core benefits of IaaS. One is scalability. Scalability is nothing but if IaaS allows you to easily scale your computing resources up or down based on demand. You can add more servers or storage without significant upfront cost. Without any more cost, you can just simply increase or decrease the resources. That is scalability. The second one is cost saving. So cost saving is reducing your expenses. So companies that transition to IaaS no longer need to purchase overseas or maintain their infrastructure. So they only pay for the resources they actually use, even over extended period like 5 years or more. Next is flexibility. Flexibility is like you have flexibility to increase or decrease your infrastructure storage or add virtual machines or decrease virtual machines. That flexibility you will be having. So global reach. So global reach means IaaS providers have data centers worldwide, enabling you to deploy resources closest to your users for better performance. Next is reliability. Reliability is IaaS platform offers high availability redundancy and disaster recovery options to ensuring your applications stay online. Security. So reputable IaaS providers implement healthy and stability security measures, including firewalls, encryptions, and access controls. So what are the advantages of IaaS? Reduce the expenses. Important. So as I said before, you no need of purchase any physical hardwares or physical or you no need to maintain the infrastructure. You only pay for the resources they actually use. So that is one way of reducing the expenses. Redundancy. So redundancy, cloud system have backups and duplicates at every step. If one part fails, the other takes over simultaneously. They are designed to handle failures in a specific area without affecting the whole system. Thinking if it like a firewalls in the building, fire in one room doesn't spread everywhere. So that redundancy is very much good in IaaS. Speed provisioning. Speed provisioning. Even in traditional on-premises infrastructure, even with virtualized environment, if you want to set up a machine or a big environment, it can even take even weeks and months. However, with infrastructure as a service, IaaS, entire application environment can be created in just few minutes. Improve business continuity. So improving business continuity is like cloud services operates across different location. So even if something goes wrong in one place, your data and the application are still available elsewhere. So cloud, in simple language, you no need to purchase your physical servers, data center infrastructure, storage and networking. So it helps you to avoid buying expensive hardware. So we can host all of them in Microsoft Cloud Services, which is mostly in Azure, because Azure is a main infrastructure as a service technology. And with IaaS, we can also host virtual servers and virtual machines. They also provide other services such as firewall, LB, which is load balancer. So essentially, Microsoft will host virtual appliances, same like how you had in your own data center, on-premises data center. So finally, to summarize, your cloud provider is in the business of making sure your IT environment is good as it can be. Thank you so much. Have a good day.